Dear students, now I am going to explain RL circuit, RC circuit and RLC circuit. See, first I am going to explain RL series circuit. Here, the resistor and inductor both are connected in series. Across that series combination, voltage source V is connected. Here V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Here I is the current flowing through the series combination and VR is the voltage across the resistor R. VR is equal to I into R. Okay. Then VL is the voltage across the inductor L, which is equal to I into XL. XL is the inductive reactance. Inductive reactance is given by 2 pi FL. Okay. F is the frequency, L is the inductance. Got it? Next, let us draw the phasor diagram. In this circuit, the resistor and inductor both are available. In resistive circuit, voltage and current both are in phase. Okay. See here. In resistive circuit, voltage is VR, current is I, both are in phase. Okay. And inductive circuit or inductive circuit, current I lags the voltage. Okay. Here the lagging power factor is available, right? See here, VL is the inductance voltage. Okay. I is the current. Okay. The phase shift is 90 degree. Okay. So here current I lag the voltage, right? And here the resultant voltage V is equal to root of VR square plus VL square. Okay. Then see here the impedance Z is equal to R plus JXL. Okay. Right. If you are taking modulus, root of R square plus XL square. Okay. So here impedance Z is equal to V divided by I. Got it? Next, phase angle pi is equal to tan inverse of imaginary part divided by real part. Here the imaginary part is XL, the real part is R. Got it? Next, the power factor is lagging power factor, which is cos phi. Cos phi is equal to R divided by Z. Okay. Next, apparent power, which is denoted by S, which is equal to V into I. Okay. The unit is volt ampere. Okay. VA. Then real power P is equal to VA cos phi. So already we know VA is nothing but S into cos phi. Unit is watts. Okay. Then reactive power, which is denoted by Q, which is equal to VA sin phi. Okay. VA is nothing but S into sin pi. Okay. The unit is VAR. Got it? Right. And RC series circuit. Here the resistor and capacitor both are connected in series. Across that series combination, voltage source V is connected, which is Vm sin omega t. Here I is the current which is flowing through that series combination, and here the voltage across the resistor R is VR, which is nothing but I into R. Okay. Then voltage across the capacitor is VC. VC is equal to I into minus XC. Okay. So here XC is nothing but the capacitive reactance, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi FC. F is the frequency and C is the capacitance. Okay. Next, in this circuit, the resistor and capacitor both are available. In resistive circuit, voltage and current both are in phase. Okay. Voltage VR and current I both are in phase. Okay. And in capacitive circuit, leading power factor, is it known? Right. Current I leads the voltage. Right. So here I and VC. This is the capacitor voltage. Okay. So phase shift is 90 degree. Right. So here current I leads the voltage. Right. And the resultant voltage V is equal to root of VR square plus VC square. Okay. Next, impedance. Impedance Z is equal to R, right? The resistance R plus minus JXC. Okay. Then if you are taking modulus root of R square plus XC square, right? Then phase angle pi is tan inverse of imaginary part divided by real part. Here the imaginary part is what? XC, right? XC divided by R, right? Then power factor, see here, cos phi, which is equal to R divided by Z. Then apparent power S is equal to V into I. Okay, unit is VA. Then real power P is equal to VA cos phi, unit is watts. Then reactive power Q is equal to VA sin phi, unit is VAR. Got it? The next one is RLC circuit. Okay, here the resistor, inductor and capacitor, both all three are connected in series. Across that series combination, voltage source V is connected. V is equal to Vn sin omega t. I is the current which is flowing through that series combination. Okay, and VR is the voltage across the resistor. VL is the voltage across the inductor. VC is the voltage across the capacitor. Okay, see, VR is equal to I into R. VL is equal to I into XL. VC is equal to I into minus XC because it is a capacitive reactance. Okay, then let us draw the phasor diagram. So in the circuit, the resistor, inductor and capacitor, right, are available. For the resistor, for the resistive circuit, voltage and current both are in phase, right? So voltage VR and current both are in phase. Okay, and in inductor, lagging power factor, current I lags the voltage. Okay, current I lags the voltage. Okay, right? So by 90 degree. Okay, here VL and I, right? And in capacitive circuit, current I leads the voltage. Here capacitive voltage VC and current I. Okay, so phase difference is 90 degree. Okay, here see here the resultant voltage V. Okay, resultant voltage V, which is equal to VR plus VL plus VC. Okay, so which is equal to the resistive voltage, right? That is I into R, and inductive voltage is J into XL. The capacitive voltage is minus J into IXC. Minus J into IXC. Okay. Next, if you are taking I outside, what you will get? R plus, okay, from these two we can take J outside, so XL minus XC. Okay. Next, impedance Z is equal to V divided by I, which is equal to R plus J XL minus XC. Okay, right. Then if you are taking modulus, what you will get? Root of R square plus XL minus XC the whole square. Okay. Next, phase angle, tan inverse of imaginary part divided by real part. Here the imaginary part is XL minus XC divided by R. Right. So this is the imaginary part, this is the real part, right? XL minus XC divided by R, right? Then power factor is equal to cos phi, which is equal to R divided by Z. Then apparent power is S, which is equal to V into I, unit is VA. Then real power is P is equal to VA cos phi, the unit is watts. Then reactive power Q, which is equal to VA sin phi, unit is VAR. Okay, that's all about RL circuit, RC circuit and RLC circuit. Okay, thank you.